Lebanon is a culinary treasure trove, and today I'm diving into the top 10 foods you absolutely must try when you visit this vibrant country. First up is tabbouleh. This refreshing salad is a staple in Lebanese cuisine, made primarily from finely chopped parsley, tomatoes, mint, onion, and soaked bulgur. It's dressed with olive oil and lemon juice, creating a bright, zesty flavor that's perfect as a side dish or a light meal on its own. Next, we have hummus. This creamy dip, made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic, is a must-have. It's versatile too. Enjoy it with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or even as a spread on sandwiches. Each scoop is a delightful experience. Moving on to baba ganoush, a smoky, velvety eggplant dip. The eggplants are roasted until tender, then blended with tahini, garlic, and lemon juice. It's a fantastic alternative to hummus and offers a unique depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Now, let's talk about kibbeh. This dish is often considered the national dish of Lebanon. It consists of a mixture of bulgur, minced onions, and finely ground lean beef or lamb, shaped into balls or patties. It can be served raw, baked, or fried, and each variation brings its own delightful twist. Next on the list is fattoush, a vibrant salad that combines mixed greens with crispy pieces of fried pita bread. The dressing is a tangy mix of pomegranate molasses and lemon juice, giving it a unique flavor that perfectly complements the crunch of the vegetables. You can't visit Lebanon without trying shawarma. This popular street food features marinated meat, typically chicken or lamb, slow-cooked on a vertical rotisserie. It's sliced thin and wrapped in pita with garlic sauce, pickles, and fresh veggies. Each bite is a burst of flavor that's hard to resist. Let's not forget about Manakish, often referred to as Lebanese pizza. This flatbread is topped with za'atar, cheese, or mincemeat, and baked to perfection. It's a popular breakfast item and can be enjoyed any time of day, making it a beloved comfort food. Another must-try is Mujadara, a hearty dish made from lentils, rice, and caramelized onions. It's simple yet incredibly satisfying, showcasing the beauty of Lebanese home cooking. It's often served with yogurt or a fresh salad, making it a complete meal. Then we have Sfiha or Lebanese meat pies. These savory pastries are filled with spiced ground meat and pine nuts, baked until golden. They're perfect as a snack or appetizer and are often enjoyed with a squeeze of lemon for an extra kick. Finally, we can't overlook baklava, the sweet finale to any Lebanese meal. This rich pastry, made of layers of phyllo dough filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup, is a delightful treat. Each bite is a perfect balance of sweetness and crunch. Lebanon's culinary scene is a reflection of its rich history and diverse culture. Each dish tells a story, and every flavor is a celebration of the country's heritage. So, when you find yourself in Lebanon, make sure to indulge in these 10 incredible foods. You won't regret it.